Good morning, family. Happy Monday. It is officially a full week. I am on day 8 and I've lost a total of, drum roll please, 5 pounds. A full 5 pounds. I've showed you guys absolutely everything I have eaten, everything I'm drinking, except for water. I drink water all day long, so I never really but I show you my cup full of water that I have with me all the time. Everything I eat, ingest, or whatever. The workouts I do, well, not the full workout. You see that I go to the gym and I show you my calories burnt on my watch or whatever. But 5 pounds, y'all. I did it. I weighed myself. I weighed myself Friday and I was like, oh, what in the world? I only lost 3 pounds. But I just kept going, and Friday was 3 pounds, 2 more pounds over the weekend. This morning I woke up 5 pounds less than I did last Monday. And that was even eating those 3 pieces of pizza. I showed you the 2 pieces, another piece of the barbecue flatbread, and it was delicious. But even eating that, I still lost 5 pounds. And that was like pretty much the only thing I did that was so planned out. But the first week is always a lot more than usual, so I'm not gonna get too excited and I'm not gonna expect 5 pounds every week, but I am proud of myself for the first week. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake and do my whole morning thing. Let's start with this. Let's talk about it. This is my ginger shot. So we Googled it. Apparently, this is what happens like when you pickle ginger. I didn't add vinegar, so that's why I'm a little confused. Literally ginger and then squeezed lemon on top. So I'm not understanding how it got pickled, but it's 100% safe. Kind of compared it to like sushi ginger. How sometimes when you get it, it's pink, like the one we have at home, because it's pickled. I didn't pickle it. I literally did what I do every single time. I don't know if the ginger was just young. I don't know. Reaction. Girlfriend off the counter. Sorry. So this is my ginger. Okay. Every morning, empty stomach. Pour that. There's less ginger than last time, and it's still so much ginger. I'm gonna make my shake and do my burlesque now, and then try to wake up these kids again because I don't hear them moving yet, and I tried to wake them up, and it's already 7:20. I'm supposed to be leaving soon. Bye. Is made to go. I just had to switch my tea to this cup because we're going to this cup for her apple juice. Melissa, take our shot, our morning shots. Cheers. All this in a bag. Go get the baby's dress. Take Yola to the school, and then I'll see y'all at the gym. Bye. All right, y'all. We made it to the gym. Bricklin's already unbuckled. She's about to unbuckle AJ.
About to clean up this mess that AJ spilled, and then I'm gonna unbuckle him.
Mad because he just spilled some apple juice. I'm going to finish drinking my tea. Then we're going to go inside. She's so extra. Let me get these kids out this car. I'm going to make 2 eggs. I'm gonna put some kale in it, a tiny bit of mozzarella cheese, some tomatoes, some peppers, some onions, and I'm going to make one of these. So it is 100 calories, 8 grams of fiber. They are the light multi-grain ones. So since they're only 100 calories, and I just burned like freaking 700 of them, and I really don't count calories. I'm just doing this for y'all's purposes because I get asked a lot of weird questions. But there's 4 grams of protein. I'm just gonna put one of these in the toaster oven and eat one of these with this. So I'll show you when I'm done cooking. So I like to do everything at one time because I just want to hurry up and get it cooked. So I have my eggs scrambling on this side, and I have veggies all over here. Once this gets sauteed a little bit and cooked down, I'll mix it into the eggs. So on my plate, I'm gonna start with some raw spring mix because I just think it's important to have like raw veggies all the time. So I'm just gonna add that there, and then this is my cooked food. Like this, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Where's the hole? Oh shoot! Feta cheese. Then here is my. I probably won't eat all of this. I know this looks like a meal, but this is my post-workout snack. It's a lot of protein. It has a lot of vegetables and some eggs. That's probably the only thing I could do without. I don't actually need, but I want it because I just worked out. And I'm gonna add some hot sauce like this. All right, y'all, I'm going to go eat this now, and I'll check back with y'all later. All right, so I just took one of the multi and one of the energy, and I'm making a tea to go. And then I will have my protein bar while I'm in the line. Okay, we're in car rider line. Don't worry, I don't break the law. She's just sitting up here because we're just sitting here until the bell rings. She'll go back in the back seat once I start moving, but her brother's back there sleeping, so she wanted to come up here and hang out. But I'm going to eat my protein bar, and I actually gonna have to eat my like healthy meal thing on the go because I just randomly made myself a nail appointment for me and my sister-in-law, but it's all good because I need it. So I took off my nails, as you can see. I took off my nails, and I'm gonna go get my nails done and a pedicure and relax for a little bit. So I'm gonna eat my protein bar now. I'm going to drink my tea. I'll let you guys know what I eat for healthy meal of the day, because today, since I'm driving, it is breakfast shake, and then snack, and then snack, and then healthy meal, and then my dinner shake. That's the schedule I'm on today. Yeah, because this is my last caramel one. I still have chocolate and strawberry at home, but caramel one's the best. Alright, I'm gonna hang out with my mini here until it's time for her to go back in the back seat. Say bye, vlog.
Bye, bye.
See you later. Healthy meal. This is my leftover ground turkey from yesterday. Well, I shouldn't say leftover, from my meal prep. And this is a salad kit that I love. I am going to show you how I actually eat it. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna eat. It is salad on the bottom with some of my ground turkey that I cooked yesterday on top, and a little bit of plain Greek yogurt. So it's quick, so quick and easy. And I'm gonna eat this up. Alright, so my house is extremely loud right now. It's so loud that I just made my shake really quick. So I made a shake bowl and it's melting. It's chocolate. It's chocolate with prolesa and some granola. So I'm just gonna pretend it's ice cream, and this is my dinner. So I'm going to eat dinner now, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. This is day 8.